Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science and engineering focused on the creation of intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. It involves the use of algorithms and data to enable computers to learn, adapt, and make decisions. There are many different types of AI, ranging from simple rule-based systems to more advanced machine learning algorithms. Rule-based systems follow a set of predetermined rules to complete a task, while machine learning algorithms can learn from data and improve their performance over time. Some examples of AI in action include self-driving cars, personal assistants like Siri or Alexa, and facial recognition technology. AI is also used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail, to improve efficiency and decision-making. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve our daily lives, it also raises ethical concerns and the possibility of job displacement. It's important to consider these issues as we continue to develop and use AI technology. So that's a quick overview of what AI is and some of its applications. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more information on this exciting field.